Practice exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Instructions. Fill in the blanks with so, such, or such a/n. Answer number 1. The cake was so delicious that I ate 2 pieces. Number 2. It's such a beautiful day today. Number 3. That was such an interesting book. Number 4. She is so happy to see you. Number 5. We had such fun at the beach yesterday. Answer number 6. He told me such a funny joke. Number 7. They are such good dancers. Number 8. You're such a kind person. Number 9. The test was so hard that many students failed. Number 10. I've never seen such big dogs before.